Hello, and today I'm going to tell you and show you how to install Context4.ai on the Cloud AI Chat. So you need to open your chat, go to settings, add the connectors, very simple, add a custom connector, and here you will have to put an URI. If you go to our page, you will see in the installation guide that gives you this one very simple URI that you need to go and put to the for AI, and here is a URI that we just got. Let me click add, and boom, it has been connected. Let's see what are the tools there. Luot Context. Let us create a brand new chat, and let's go and even see what interesting we can Luot. Param pam pam. Let's discover. Command wrong. Let's do US Constitution. Let's load the US Constitution and see how does it work. And allow always. Boom, boom, boom. We're waiting to the upload. And here we go. We just have loaded full text of the US Constitution for us to analyze. Here how these work. Thank you, folks. See you next time.